Hello Daad global community. Today I am discussing growth in additional online advertising competition. The growth in additional online advertising competition is a notable trend in the digital marketing landscape, driven by the increasing number of businesses vying for visibility and engagement in online spaces. As more companies shift their focus to digital channels, the competition for consumer attention has intensified, leading to several key developments and challenges. Here is an overview of the factors contributing to this trend and its broader implications. Digital transformation. This widespread digital transformation across industries has resulted in a significant increase in businesses leveraging online platforms for advertising. This shift has been further accelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic, which highlighted the importance of digital presence. Increased ad spend. With more businesses investing in online advertising, ad spend across platforms such as Google Ads, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn has surged. This increase in demand has led to higher cost per click and cost per impression, making it more expensive for businesses to reach their target audience. Platform saturation. Popular advertising platforms are becoming more saturated, making it harder for ads to stand out. As a result, businesses are seeking alternative channels and innovative strategies to capture the customer attention, such as influencer marketing, content marketing, and niche social media platforms. Sophistication of ad technologies. The advancement of ad technologies, including AI and machine learning for ad targeting and optimization, has raised the bar for effective online advertising. Businesses must now invest in more sophisticated ad strategies and technologies to compete effectively. Consumer ad fatigue. With the increase in online ads, consumers are experiencing ad fatigue, becoming more selective about the content they engage with. This challenges advertisers to create more relevant, engaging, and personalized content to break through the noise. Privacy, regulations, and changes. The implementation of stricter privacy regulations, example GDPR in Europe, CCPA in California, and changes by tech companies to protect user privacy, such as Apple's iOS updates, are affecting the targeting capabilities. This has led to increased competition for the remaining high-value advertising opportunities. Evolving consumer behaviors. As consumer behaviors and preferences evolve, advertisers must continuously adapt their strategies to meet changing needs and interests. This requires ongoing research and experimentation, adding complexity and competition to online advertising efforts. Rise of e-commerce. The boom in e-commerce has led to increased competition among online retailers, particularly on platforms like Amazon, where ads play a crucial role in product visibility. This has extended the competitive landscape beyond traditional advertising channels. Content overload. The internet is saturated with content, making it challenging for businesses to ensure their messages are seen and heard. This has led to a greater emphasis on the content quality, SEO, and strategic content promotion to enhance the visibility. Global competition. Online advertising enables businesses to reach global markets more easily than the traditional media. However, this also means competing with a larger pool of international advertisers, further intensifying the competition. If I summarize today's review, the growth in online advertising competition necessitates that businesses become more strategic, creative, and efficient in their digital marketing efforts. To stand out, companies must focus on understanding their audience deeply, leveraging the data analytics for insights, exploring the untapped channels, and delivering genuine value through their advertising content. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, agility and innovation will be key to navigating the competitive pressures of online advertising. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.